Hey, Tyler here out of Colorado. Smokey's back there somewhere if anyone wants to see him. Oh, yeah, he's stretched out. But anyway, um, scissors or clipper blades, if you buy them and then get them in and they're not working, contact who you bought them from, see if they're going to make it right for you. Here's a pair of scissors I just got in. She bought them brand new and she said, they're just not cutting right. The edge on them, blah, whatever, not too good. So I did a test. I'm not going to show you what brand they are or anything, but when you test cut, oh, it folds. Oh, now it's cutting. First two fold. Yeah, so they did not come good. Yeah. See how they just fold? No good. I've seen this a lot lately. I don't like it. It keeps me in business, so I guess I kind of like it a little bit. But it's just sad that she paid whatever for these, and now it's got to pay me more to make them, to fix them. And it's just unacceptable. That's why I recommend buying your scissors from a sharpener. That way, if they don't work, you can hold them accountable and they can fix it for you for no charge. If I sell a pair of scissors or a blade and it doesn't work, I'm going to fix it. I try to test everything. I do test everything before I sell it, but sometimes it takes 5 minutes on a clipper instead of my, 30 seconds to a minute on a clipper before a blade goes bad. We can tell if you used it to the point where it's dull, or we can tell that, oh, this blade never worked by the marks and everything. Same with your scissors, we could tell. So don't be afraid to tell the sharpener, hey, it just doesn't, it's not cutting right, it's not doing right. Because if we think you're lying, we'll call you out. It's easy to tell. Just like the dogs that come in, oh, I brush my dog every day. Why is he all matted up everywhere? It's like, you guys know right away they didn't brush their dog once between their last grooming appointment, and they probably missed 2 in between that, and that's it, So don't be afraid if your sharpener, quality control, something got by. It happens. We're all human, but sorry, I kind of got off topic. You buy a scissor, buy a blade, and it doesn't work, try to get the company to refund you, send you a new product, or pay for the sharpening, whatever it is, because it's just unacceptable. I see it a lot lately. So anyway, have a good day. Sorry for my little rant, and hope this helps somebody. Bye.